Ito ba yung sinasabi because walang specific na district yung budget at saka so maaring may naririnig kasi ako nung when I was in the House of Representatives na pwedeng bumili si ganito ng pondo kay ganito. Hihingin ni congressman ganito kay congressman ganito yung pondo. Where in fact, naka-allocate sa district niya, dadalhin sa kabilang district or ibibenta. I know you've heard about that. I mean, Mr. Secretary.
We have heard similar stories, Mr.
Yes.
Mr. Chairman.
Na yung pondo niya, pwede kong bilihin and dalhin ko, pwede ko ibenta ulit hanggang sa 3 kamay magpapasa-pasa. So, from 20%, nagiging 30, naging 40,
Yes.
hanggang sa wala nang natira because nga binenta yung pondo. Could it be, ito na nga yung sinasabi ni Senator Marcoleta, yung
We have heard
allocable na ito.
we have heard, Mr. Chairman, similar stories, and we've gotten similar information na yung bentahan, bilihan, yung parking, yung sagasa, yung mga ganyang mga terminologies. I think this is actually part of the ongoing investigation by the Independent Commission right now, and we have been asked to submit documentation as well for this.